Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unbind spells in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. To do this, first you will need to have any wizard on your battlefield, and when you have that, then enemy starts casting a spell. When he rolls, you can unbind that spell. That means basically turn it off and make it disappear. So now we take 2 dice after we said that we're gonna unbind this spell, and our wizard needs to be at least 30 inches from enemy wizard that is casting the spell that we want to unbind. Then again we take 2 dice, we make a roll, and if the roll exceeds the spellcast roll from the enemy, then you can unbind that spell. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.